Every morning, countless people start their day without realizing there's a tiny nutritional powerhouse sitting right in their kitchen. Smaller than a sesame seed, these little gems have been celebrated for centuries, so much so that ancient civilizations, including the Aztecs and Mayans, valued them almost like currency. Today, modern science confirms what they knew long ago. These seeds are packed with concentrated nutrients that can impact your health in ways far beyond ordinary foods. The most astonishing part? The benefits start to show within hours, not weeks. Studies from leading nutrition institutes reveal that consuming just 2 tablespoons a day can trigger subtle changes in your cells, changes that accumulate, enhancing your health step by step. By the end of the first week, measurable improvements in hydration, digestion, and energy can appear, changes that might otherwise take months with other foods. Yet, most people consume them incorrectly and miss out on the full potential. The secret lies in preparation. When these seeds are properly hydrated, they form a natural gel that makes nutrients more accessible, supports smooth digestion, and provides slow-release hydration throughout the day. These seeds are packed with more omega-3s per gram than salmon, more fiber than most vegetables, and even more calcium by weight than milk. The Mayans called them Chia, meaning strength, and today science confirms that these tiny seeds truly live up to their reputation. Whether you're looking to boost heart health, support digestion, improve mental clarity, or just feel more energized, these little seeds have something to offer everyone. And the best part? They're easy to add to your daily routine, whether sprinkled on yogurt, blended into a smoothie, or prepared as a simple gel. Before we dive into the step-by-step transformation over the next 7 days, let's take a closer look at what makes these tiny seeds a nutritional marvel. Day 1 to 2, hydration and digestive fiber benefits. From the very first day of properly preparing chia seeds, your body begins to experience something truly remarkable. A completely different kind of hydration. These tiny seeds absorb water and form a gentle gel-like coating, acting like miniature reservoirs inside your digestive system. Instead of water passing quickly through your body, this gel releases moisture slowly, giving your cells a steady supply for several hours. This kind of hydration does more than just quench your thirst. Your skin feels it almost immediately. The outer layer, called the stratum corneum, responds to this consistent internal moisture, often becoming plumper and smoother. Your joints benefit too, as the synovial fluid, your body's natural lubricant, receives better hydration, helping reduce stiffness and letting you move more comfortably, even the next morning. And it's not just your body that notices the change. Your brain, which is about 75% water, thrives on this steady supply. Even mild dehydration can cloud thinking and make memory fuzzy. With chia gel, many people feel sharper, more focused, and a subtle lift in energy within hours. By the second day, the fiber in chia seeds begins its work on your digestive system. These seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which complement each other beautifully. The soluble fiber forms that characteristic gel, slowing digestion and helping regulate nutrient absorption, so blood sugar doesn't spike suddenly. At the same time, the insoluble fiber gently cleanses your intestines, promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Within about 48 hours, many people notice less bloating, smoother digestion, and more steady energy throughout the day. The prebiotic effect of chia fiber encourages the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which can even improve mood and overall well-being. By the end of day 2, your digestive system is already starting to feel more balanced, and your body is beginning to enjoy the first real benefits of these tiny, mighty seeds. Day 3 to 4. Protein and omega-3 anti-inflammatory benefits. By day 3, your body begins to fully tap into the protein power of chia seeds. Unlike many plant foods, chia contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. When prepared properly, the gel-like coating slowly releases these nutrients into your bloodstream, supporting steady protein absorption. This gradual process helps your muscles recover, your cells repair themselves, and even supports neurotransmitter production, which is essential for mood and focus. Many people notice subtle improvements in mental clarity and mood around this time. That's partly because chia contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. By keeping serotonin levels stable, chia can gently support emotional balance and even improve sleep quality. By day 4, the omega-3 content in chia seeds begins to show its anti-inflammatory effects. About 65% of the oil in chia seeds is alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid. These fatty acids start integrating into your cell membranes, helping reduce inflammation throughout your body. This anti-inflammatory boost has wide-ranging benefits. Many seniors notice joints feel less stiff, exercise recovery improves, and skin begins to look healthier and more resilient. The steady supply of omega-3s also supports cardiovascular health, helping your blood vessels function more efficiently and your overall circulation. Even subtle changes are measurable. Studies show that regular chia consumption can lower inflammatory markers, which in turn supports joint comfort, energy levels, and cellular health. By day 4, you're already feeling the effects of this gentle, natural transformation. Chia seeds aren't just a supplement, they're a small but powerful ally that works with your body, releasing nutrients at just the right pace to maximize benefit. Day 5 to 6. Blood sugar regulation and mineral benefits. By day 5, the impact of chia seeds on blood sugar regulation becomes more noticeable. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats works together to slow digestion, which helps prevent sudden spikes in glucose after meals. Many people notice steadier energy throughout the day, fewer cravings for sugary snacks, and a more balanced appetite. The soluble fiber gel continues to act like a time-release capsule, ensuring nutrients enter the bloodstream gradually. Meanwhile, the insoluble fiber keeps your digestive system moving smoothly. This dual action supports not only stable blood sugar but also digestive comfort, which many seniors appreciate after just a few days. By day 6, the mineral content of chia seeds begins to make a real difference. Just 2 tablespoons provide a significant portion of your daily calcium needs, along with magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Calcium and phosphorus work together to support strong bones, while magnesium is involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, affecting everything from muscle relaxation to energy production. Many people notice improvements in sleep quality and reduced muscle tension around this time. Zinc, on the other hand, supports immune function and protein synthesis, contributing to overall well-being. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid and myricidin, which support heart and liver health, working in synergy with the minerals to enhance your body's natural defenses. By the end of day 6, your body is already benefiting from a combination of balanced blood sugar, improved digestion, mineral support, and subtle anti-inflammatory effects. These small but powerful changes set the stage for the final day of transformation, where cardiovascular benefits truly begin to shine. Day 7 and beyond. Cardiovascular optimization, preparation, and safety. By day 7, the cumulative effects of daily chia seed consumption become more noticeable, especially for your heart and blood vessels. Regular intake helps improve blood flow, supports healthy cholesterol levels, and can even reduce blood pressure in a natural, gentle way. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds enhance endothelial function, allowing your blood vessels to relax and dilate more effectively. Many people notice reduced stiffness in their arteries, which translates to smoother circulation and better cardiovascular performance. Inflammation markers in the blood, such as C-reactive protein, also begin to decline, supporting overall heart health. By this point, your cardiovascular system is already benefiting from the 7 days of steady nutrition and anti-inflammatory effects. Proper preparation is key to unlocking these benefits. Always soak chia seeds for 15 to 20 minutes before eating, or ideally overnight. Use about 2 tablespoons of dry seeds in 8 to 10 ounces of water, plant milk, or juice. The seeds will swell, forming a pudding-like gel that's easier to digest and maximizes nutrient absorption. You can enhance the flavor with a touch of cinnamon, vanilla, or fresh fruit. If you prefer not to eat the gel texture, grinding chia seeds into a fine powder is another option. Ground seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods, though they should be used immediately for maximum potency. Never consume large amounts of dry chia seeds at once, as they can expand in your throat and create blockages. Always drink plenty of water when consuming them. Chia seeds are generally safe for most people, but a few precautions are important. Individuals with swallowing difficulties should avoid dry seeds, and anyone taking blood-thinning medications should consult a healthcare provider before increasing intake. Start with 1 tablespoon daily for the first few days, then gradually increase to 2 tablespoons to reduce the chance of digestive discomfort. Pregnant women can safely consume moderate amounts, but excessive intake should be avoided. People with gastroesophageal reflux may need to use caution, as chia seeds can sometimes worsen symptoms. Following these guidelines ensures you get the maximum benefits safely. With consistency and proper preparation, chia seeds can become a simple daily habit that supports your heart, digestion, joints, mental clarity, and overall well-being for the long term. By making them part of your routine, you're investing in health that compounds over time, one small seed at a time. Long-term benefits and lifestyle tips. While the 7-day transformation is impressive on its own, the real power of chia seeds emerges when you make them a regular part of your routine. Over weeks and months, consistent consumption continues to support cardiovascular health, stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and improve digestive function. Long-term benefits extend beyond internal health. Many people notice stronger bones, improved joint flexibility, and enhanced skin texture as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus continue to nourish the body. Omega-3 fatty acids support brain health, helping memory, focus, and mental clarity. And the antioxidant compounds in chia seeds continue to protect cells, support the heart, and strengthen the immune system. Sustained chia consumption also encourages healthy weight management. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings for processed foods and sugary snacks. Athletes and active seniors may notice faster recovery, improved stamina, and more energy during workouts or daily activities. To maximize these long-term benefits, consistency is key. Consider preparing chia gel in batches and storing it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it easy to incorporate into smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or other meals. Combine chia seeds with fruits, leafy greens, or nuts for an added boost of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Tracking your progress can be motivating. Note improvements in energy, digestion, sleep, joint comfort, and overall well-being. Many people find that seeing small, consistent changes encourages them to continue long after the first week. Ultimately, chia seeds are an easy, affordable, and versatile superfood. With proper preparation and regular use, they offer a practical way to support your health every day, helping you feel more energized, resilient, and balanced, from your joints to your heart, brain, and skin. Your 7-day transformation is just the beginning. By making chia seeds a permanent part of your nutrition, you're investing in long-term health, one tiny seed at a time.